Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can update your saved outfit on Dress to Impress. So for instance, this dress, I added like a necklace to it or something like that. Let me just kind of adjust these a little bit here. Whoops. For instance, I added this and like I want to save this as like the updated outfit. So now you can just go to the outfit that you already saved. You're just going to then select update instead of resaving it into a new outfit. Press yes. And as you can see, now this is the current saved outfit on Dress to Impress. Like on your Dress to Impress dressing room. But that is pretty much how you can update your outfits. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.